Iman Gadzhi made $80,000 per month from his IAG media agency. Watch this.
We have a boutique marketing agency. This is services, any sort of services, thumbnails, Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, email marketing.
What if I told you that a high school dropout is making more money in a month than most people do in a year? He didn't win the lottery or start a tech company. Instead, he built a marketing agency from scratch, and now he's earning over $80,000 a month without ever working a 9-to-5. Who is Iman Gadzhi? Dropped out of high school, had no college degree, and started his agency at 17. Struggled at first, but cracked the code of high-ticket clients and paid ads. His agency, IAG Media, works with multi-million-dollar businesses, making him a fortune every single month. How IAG Media makes money. High-ticket clients. Instead of working with hundreds of small businesses, Iman focuses on a few premium brands, charging them $5,000 to $20,000 per month for social media marketing, paid advertising, and sales funnels. He helps these businesses get more customers using Facebook and YouTube ads. His team manages everything: copywriting, ad creatives, and optimization. Performance-based pricing. Some clients pay a fixed monthly fee, but others pay based on results. The more money IAG Media makes them, the more he earns. Can you do this too? Yes, but it's not easy. You need sales skills to close deals and marketing skills to deliver results. Start small, offer free services to get testimonials, then scale up. Hit the like button, subscribe for more business breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.